Hi, I'm Lia Kleppe, Director of Civic Partnerships. I'm here in Denver, Colorado, home to incentaHEALTH and birthplace of the Weigh and Win program. Behind me is the Denver Public Library, one of our many community kiosk locations.
The City and County of Denver has been part of the program since 2012. We currently support 11 kiosks across the city and have 15,000 employees and community members enrolled.
In fact, over 100 kiosks have been installed across the state. We partner with recreation centers, libraries, retailers, community clinics, hospitals, school districts, and many others. The HealthSpot kiosk takes a full-body photo and validated weight measurement and has captured 500,000 weigh-ins with steady growth. Many members even share their healthy selfie on social media. Over 100,000 members have enrolled in the program, growing at a rate of 1,000 new enrollments a month. The typical member is 43 years old with a 34 starting BMI. 80% are female. Many are at risk for chronic diseases. We deliver a turnkey program personalized to the participants. Members receive a daily meal plan from our registered dietitian. They can choose from standard, vegetarian, and even gluten-free options, and 3 meals and 3 snack guidelines each day. Members also receive daily guided workouts from our certified personal trainers. We deliver over 30 million annual touchpoints to Colorado consumers interested in improving their health. And it works! 71% of members are achieving weight loss. A third of them are achieving the coveted 5% weight improvement, thus reducing chronic disease prevalence and improving our community members' quality of life. The average duration of weight loss is nearly 2 years, and the outcomes only get better when we look at communities of color and underserved populations.
The City and County of Denver is thrilled to partner with Weigh and Win to offer a fun and engaging program to all our employees and to community members. This program actually pays you to achieve a healthy weight, and it works. Best of all, the program is free to its participants. You can't beat that.
I've been with Weigh and Win for 5 years. I started probably for this little guy right here.
I kept thinking, I'm not really losing that much. And then I saw those progression photos online, and I'm like, oh, I have lost weight.
So join us in the movement to reward 100 million people for healthy eating and active living. Together, we can make your community thrive. Learn more by contacting us today.